so far away.
Mamaya pa mag-reply ha. Anyways, yung kantang So Far Away po ay kanta ng mga kanta para sa mga taong
It will be so fun to see your face at my door.
so going back to the song. Kanta ka ba kayo bakit favorite ko yan? Naniniwala ko na all of us, if it comes down to it, if you think about it, we all have that one person or several people sa buhay natin that, number one, pwedeng parte pa ng buhay mo pero hindi na kasing lalim ng dating samahan nyo yung samahan nyo ngayon. Egg sandwich bigay po ni Gandang Kara tsaka tofu. Bigay po niya kanina. Ngayon ko na kinakain dahil wala akong time kumain ka na, sobrang busy ko. Meron ba yung ganun sa buhay niyo? Yung kaibigan, jowa, or barkada, kumare, kumpare, na yung dating samahan ninyo, iba na. No? Dati mong kaibigan ng strangers na kayo. Yun yung song. Yun yung song na yan. Yung lagi biniplay. Kasi, you know, as you grow older, ako, as I grow older, well, I'm 29, next year I'm 28, balik ako. Pag, as you grow older, I also have so many hours to spend contemplating on many things. And I realize, lahat tayo, we all have that people who were a part of your everyday life before that you no longer talk to. Kaya ba nakaka-relate ba kayo? Kaibigan, that's the first one. O yung mga taong hindi mo na kasama ngayon, pero naaalala mo pa rin. Pero hindi masakit yun eh. Hindi mo na kasama. Kasi, normal naman yun eh. Kasi hindi mo na kasama eh. Diba? Tama. Pero masakit yung kasama mo pa. Yung ko na makaka-relate kayo. Yung kasama mo pa, pero na-miss mo na. Kasi hindi na kagaya dati. Ngayon, Evangeline, ingat po. Pati Abs. Yung parte pa ng buhay mo ngayon, active member of your life, active part of your life, active member of your circle, ano mo naramdaman? Tama. Yung physically present na lang, pero parang ibang tao na kayo sa bawat isa't isa. Ang layo nyo na. Di ba? Diyan si Kara. Morning, Kara. Nakain ko yung bigyan saan kanina. Anyways, yun lang naman. Sabi ko lang sa inyo, para ipaliwanag sa inyo bakit lagi kong piniplay yung kantang yan. Kasi, nobody asked me bakit sa lahat ng umpisa ng live ko, 90% i-play ko yung kantang yan. Ako naniwala ko laging nantok na si GK ah. Nantok na si Baby Love. Walang tanong sa inyo bakit kada mag-live ako, piniplay ko siya. Naniniwala ko na yan. Lagi tayong may song for a season. There will always be a phase in our life that will be represented by a certain song. Say for example, there was a time, I think 2 years ago na ang kantang paut-ut ko napakinggan ay The Best That I Can Be. There will always be song that will hit you deep. Tama, mami. I agree. Lagi meron. At some point, hindi mo paliwanag, bakit? Why do I relate to this song? Diba? So much. Pero hindi mo na makita yung meaning talaga niya. Hindi ka naman talaga buong-buo sa meaning niya. Pero nakaka-relate ka. Bakit ba? Well, buti na lang, DJ ako kasi that's the power of music. Sometimes music can move you without knowing that it's moving you. May mga kanta nga na at in the beginning, no? When you first started listening to it, you don't like the song, and then you listen to it again, and it grows in you. I remember in the earlier days of my career, there was a song by Martin Rivera. I did not like the song. Don't get me wrong. I like Martin Rivera. Martin Rivera yan. Pero parang feeling ko, ano ba itong kanta niya? Parang napaka-boring. But listening to the song twice lang, I fell in love with the music. I don't remember it eh. But yeah. Anyways, going back, a couple of years back, I think, lagi ko pinapakinggan yung uh, The Best That I Can Be. No? Ang kwento naman ng kantang to, is that realizing your full potential, not as a person, but as a lover because you met someone along the way in life. So sometimes we can be the best version of ourselves, not with how we want to tackle life and achieve ambitions. Hindi naman yun eh. Sometimes the best version of ourselves can be realized on the way we are when we are with someone. It's not always result dependent. Hindi dahil, oh, you're the best version of yourself kasi na-achieve mo to, na-achieve mo that. Hindi ganun eh. Sometimes being the best that you can be would simply mean you became the best version of yourself as a human being because of someone. That's actually a good way to put it. There must be
Little things never meant that much to me.
para sa'yo.
But she loves me. I don't know
Bakit
what
you
she
love me?
sees in me. She loves
So, lagi yan, lagi yan. Lagi yan. You will always have uh, you know you're going to meet someone, be it a jowa, a partner, a friend, a mentor, a teacher, a professor, di ba? Who's going to a little bit bring out the kasi ang alam niyo ang sarili natin, lagi may facets yan eh, di ba? It could either be uh, you are the best version of yourself as a student, you are the best version of yourself as a coworker, you are the best version of yourself as a as a lover, as a partner. So lagi yan. There will always be someone's going to bring out the best that you can be. Itong dalawa kanta to, ano to yun? I relate to this one. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, I have started listening to this song 2 years ago. Siguro for a while, for 3 months. Lagi ko lang siya kinakanta habang, tawag ito habang nagdadrive ako. No? I have that, no? Especially when I'm alone in the car. Hello sa mga nagdadrive dyan na concert king and queen kapag nagmamaneho sila. No?